Hello dear viewers, today we have some standard on clean agent or file suppression system. So what's mentioned there, I will explain in this video the detailed standard, NFPA National Fire Protection Association standard upon the clean agent fire extinguishing system. There we have the fire suppression system, like in server room we have fire. So which standard we need to consider as per this NFPA 2001. So let's start from here. First, let's see the chapter which it's include. Just come here. Administration, this is the reference publication, definition, general requirement, components, and this is total flooding system, design, concentration requirement, total flooding quantity, duration of protection, distribution system, nozzle charge. These all I will explain in the later coming video. Now let's come to the chart and video which we can see overall the maintenance and all these things. If you just come here, this is the clean agent system acceptance test reports. Okay, and these all things, all the summary of the fire suppression system you can see in this report. So just to summarize this is the property name, date, then we have property address, company name, like that, address, like location where it's this company is been uh, located. Property name, you can write here the company name. First of all, here is the place accepted by approving authority, address, installation confirmed to accepted plane, all these things, instruction. Person in charge of fire equipment has been instructed as to location of control valves and care and maintenance of the new equipment. If no, explain here. You should need to explain. If you just mention here no, like this is not been fulfilling, so you can write here no, then you have to give the reason. If it yes, so no need for the explanation. Covered of an appropriate instruction and care and maintenance chart have been left on premises. If no, explain. Enclosure. Enclosure mean here the room, server room, or like whatever. Enclosure in conformance with the construction documents. If no, explain the reason. Enclosure integrity report receive and approve. Usually, this integrity test you need to perform, because if it's server room or electrical room or rake room, you need to perform this test, because if there is no leakage or no, in case of fire, no heat or no fire is go outside, and it should be completely isolated. So, for this we need to perform this enclosure integrity test. There we pressurize the room, then we need to check if the other pressure has dropped. So there is the leakage, so we need to close those leakages, those opening. Then we have system type, total flooding or local agent storage container properly located in accordance with the approved system drawings. So we need to check the pressure container or clean agent cylinder or whatever. We need to check that as per approved drawings that's placed or not. Storage container and mounting brackets fastening securely, so we need to check the mounting brackets fastened securely. Piping equipment and discharge nozzle proper size and location. These we need to also check this as these is for drawings. Pipe size reduction and T fitting position and conformance with the design drawing. Pipe joints, discharge nozzle and pipe support securely fastened. Discharge nozzle orientation and conformance with the approved design drawing. Also we need to check if it says for drawing, we need to mark here yes. If it's not, we need to mark here no and give the reason. Nozzle deflector, usually this and discharge nozzle, or there is one nozzle deflector or clean agent cylinder. So that's as per the orientation to the commodities or not. So if it's not no, we need to give the comments. If it's yes, so mark yes. Yes, here. Location of alarm and manual emergency release acceptable. Yes, mark yes. Current hazard configuration comparable to original configuration. Enclosure test report. If it's we perform here the integrity test. So if it's received, so we mark yes. All install equipment listed for use. Then we have electrical equipment. These were all mechanical equipments. Then we have electrical equipments. Just leave this because this is related with electrical, but I will just check. Manual full station installed properly, readily accessible, uh, accurately identified and protected to prevent damage. And we have pipe and fittings. Piping pneumatically tested to 40 psi 276 kilopascal for 10 minutes. To perform this test also. Pipe confirmed to standard API. Yes. Okay. Fitting confirmed to standard. Yes. If no, explain the reason here. Free functional test. Each detector like smoke or heat or whatever. We need to check each detector checked for proper response. We need to check these all during testing and commissioning. Polarity verified for all polarized alarm devices and auxiliary relays. Yes, okay. If not okay, then we have to mark no and give the reasons. EOL register, end of line register install across all alarm and detection servers circuits where required. If we install properly, okay, yes. Proper trouble response verified for all supervised circuits. If yes, okay. If no, so we need to give the reason. Then here is operational test. Pop test completed in continuous flow and on obstructed piping and nozzle verified. Yes. Not give the reason and mark no. Alarm functional verified following detection initiation. Manual release functions according to design specification. Abort switch functions according to design specification. This I will also explain and show you practically in the side video. But for now, it's mentioned here in Clean Agent system NFPA 2001. So in this chart we can give the reference to anyone like consultant or someone ask about this, so we can give from here the reference. Wait before and after discharge for the container we need to check. A full operational test for single or multiple hazards. All pneumatic equipment tested and verified. Automatic valve tested and operation verified. Then we have for inert gas system pressure before and after discharge, a remote monitoring alarm signal from each input device on standby, owner verified, trouble signal verified for each alarm condition and each signal circuit. Then we have control panel primary power source. Usually in control panel we have two power. One is for backup purpose and one we have primary power source. Control panel connected to a dedicated circuit. Control panel labeled properly. Control panel readily accessible. Uh, Control panel secured from unauthorized access, so that someone not play with the control panel and to properly secure from unauthorized personnel to not activate for suppression system. So we need to check control panel secure from unauthorized access. APS, okay. If no, so we give need to give the reason like the control panel is installed outside and the crowded and the crowded area, so we need to place this inside is not for standard, so we need to give like this the reason. System return to fully operational design condition. Then at the last we have signature name of installing contractor, test witness by whom. We need to write here. For property owner, title date, for contractor title and date, these all we need to uh, write here. So these were the NFPA standard 2001 for the fire suppression system, clean agent and clean agent system. So this was the reference. You see here the clean agent system acceptance steps report. Thank you very much. Just subscribe the YouTube channel and I will bring more informative and research video upon all these tender for the firefighting system, for the HVAC system and for the plumbing system. And let us on. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.